How to add a battery widget to your Android home screen so you can quickly check your battery level without opening the Settings app. First, go to your home screen and touch and hold an empty area. From the menu that appears, tap Widgets. Now, look through the available widgets and find Battery. If you see it, tap on it to view the available widget styles. Choose the battery widget you want, then after that, tap on Add, or touch and hold it and drag it onto your home screen. Place it wherever you prefer, then release it. You can also touch and hold the widget to move or resize it if that option is available. If you don't see a battery widget, don't worry. On some Android phones and software versions, the built-in battery widget may not be available. In that case, search the Widgets menu for another battery-related widget, or use a trusted battery widget app from the Google Play Store. And that's it. You can now check your battery level directly from your home screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.